What's up guys, I'm Ross, your mattress expert from realmattressreviews.com. Today I'm really excited to open up and give you guys my first impression of the brand new Awara mattress from awarasleep.com. Now this is a new company that is owned by Nectar and DreamCloud, so two companies that have been wildly successful, and they put out really great products at a very competitive price. So I'm really excited to open up this one. This is going to be their new natural model. As you know, if you're searching for a mattress, you probably run across a handful of different all-natural brands that are going to use Dunlop latex and organic cotton and other natural components. So we'll go ahead and get it popped open, and then we'll talk a little bit about how it's constructed, and I'll give you guys my first impression when I feel the foam and lay on the mattress for the first time. As always, before we get started, we understand how stressful mattress shopping can be. So after this review, if you're still interested in more, click over to realmattressreviews.com where you can find hundreds of other great reviews, and click on the coupons tab to find the best mattress deals available online. All right guys, we've got it all opened up. This is a pretty heavy mattress, and most mattresses that are going to use latex in them are going to be a little bit heavier. So ideally, it would have been nice to have two people here to unbox this, but I was able to do it since I'm so used to doing this, and most of you would be able to do it alone. It would just be helpful to have two people. So before we talk about how the mattress feels, we'll talk a little bit here about the company policy. So this is one of the things that the Nectar brands and Awara and DreamCloud do really, really well. They have a 365-day trial period. So essentially, on the 364th day, you can still return the mattress if you decide it's not right for you. Ultimately, most of you are probably going to know within 2 months whether or not you like the mattress, but it is really nice to have that extended trial period. And then they have what they call their forever warranty. So you'll start seeing some of these new online companies coming out with lifetime warranties. They call theirs the forever warranty, so it's really nice to have that extended warranty as well. You're gonna wanna dive a little bit more into that on their website. Otherwise, click the link down in the description. We'll break down any type of fine print that may exist within that warranty. I'm not quite sure if there is any, but we'll take a look at that. All right, next up, we'll talk price. So right now, the queens come in at $12.99. So that is a really competitive price in that all-natural type market. Any available coupons you can find by clicking the link down in the description and heading over to our website. The best coupons available are going to be there, whether you buy the Awara or another brand online. We can help you guys save some money. So those are about the most important company policies you need to know. If you want to dive more into that, click the link and you can read a little bit more in our contextual review regarding the company or any of the other warranty type things that you may be interested in. All right guys, before we get started, we're starting a brand new thing. We're actually doing a mattress giveaway every month. You can find information by clicking the link down below for the mattress giveaway page. There's a few different ways to sign up there to win. And all you really need to do here right now is like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done that. And you'll automatically be entered into our monthly drawings for a brand new mattress. You definitely don't want to miss out on a chance to win a brand new mattress. All right, let's dive into how this mattress is constructed. We'll make this part brief since this is more of a first impression type video, and then we're gonna dive into a full comprehensive review after we have a couple days to try this mattress out. All right guys, so here with a close-up of the mattress. The mattress itself is a total of 13 inches tall. So you're gonna have a nice, very substantial mattress that's gonna be heavy with that latex. It's got a good coil unit. The coils come all the way out to the edges. So it's gonna have very good edge support on the sides. It's one of my favorite coil units to use in these online beds because it also allows it to be used very well with an adjustable base. So on the top you have an organic cotton cover, and then in the quilt you've got organic cotton. So it's got a nice soft feel on the very top. And it adds a little bit extra cushion above that latex. So latex can be a bit firm and it can be really springy. So this adds a little bit of softness on the top, and it absorbs a little bit of that springiness so you still have some body conformance, and it also helps to give you a little bit of separation from foam, which I also like. that will help you guys regulate temperature a little bit better. But latex does a really good job in general for staying cool, especially compared to memory foam. Inside you have 4 inches of Dunlop latex. As I mentioned, that latex is going to be nice and springy. So you do have a good balance of pressure relief, but you also have a nice element of bounce with a latex mattress, but very little heat retention. And then you have a 9-inch pocketed coil unit. As I mentioned, they come all the way out to the edges. Those pocketed coils are also independent, so you'll have very good motion isolation compared to a traditional mattress. So then you've got a nice durable fabric on the side. You've got handles on the ends and on the sides of the mattress. So that's a quick overview of the construction of the Awara. All right guys, next up, I'm gonna simply lay back and I'll just kind of talk to you guys what I'm experiencing. So on the very top, as I mentioned, you've got that organic cotton inside the quilt. So it's nice and squishy and soft on the very top. Adds a little bit more, it adds a little element of softness above that latex. And then once you hit the latex, you've got more additional softness, but latex being pretty springy, it gives you really, really good support. So it's kind of nice to have a little bit of added softness on the very top. So as I lay back, I would say it's about probably between a 6 and a 7 out of 10, with 10 being the firmest. So most latex mattresses are on the firmer side of medium. So you're gonna have really good support. You're not gonna sink way into the mattress, therefore you'll sleep a little bit cooler. But as I lay here, it feels really nice here in my lumbar. I feel very well supported here. And I'm about 200 pounds, keep that in mind. So as I flip over to my side, latex in general, if you're a really, really light sleeper and you sleep on your side 100% of the time, and you know you like a softer mattress, you might not want to go with latex if you're really light side sleeper and you like a softer mattress. Because as I mentioned, it is going to be a little bit on the firmer side of medium. But for me, for my weight and the way that I like the firmness to be in general, this would work really well for me still on my side. So you have pretty good pressure relief here in my shoulder and my hips. But if you're looking for that sinking in feeling, you're not going to really find that with latex. But those of you that like to sleep a little bit more up and sleep very, very cool, this could be a really, really solid option. And it should work for most people in all 3 sleeping positions. It's going to work really, really well for back and stomach. And for side sleeping, this actually feels pretty good here for the first time laying in it here on my side. Sometimes latex can be a little bit too firm for some people for side sleeping, but with this added organic cotton in the quilt, it adds a nice softness on the very top. So I think it will work for the majority of people in all 3 sleeping positions. But if you already know you like soft, then I probably wouldn't go with latex in general. But if you like that kind of medium feel, one thing I also like with this type of firmness level is that when it breaks in, you're gonna get a little bit softer, but it's gonna break into a really nice medium versus a soft medium where it might end up being a little bit too soft. So I think the overall feel is really nice. We'll just take a look quick here at the edge support. As I mentioned, the coils come all the way out to the sides, and then as I sit here, the latex will sink in a little bit, but even latex has very good support. So as I mentioned, it's a little bit springier foam. So even here up in the comfort layers, I have really good support here on the edges. So it's really, really supportive underneath the comfort layers. So you shouldn't have any issues at all feeling like you're gonna roll off the side of the mattress, which is nice for couples, especially on a queen, because you're gonna be able to use the whole sleeping surface without getting that roll off the bed sensation. So overall, I think this is gonna be a really, really solid option if you're considering that all natural type mattress and a hybrid with latex in it. So the overall quality is very, very high, and this is one of the most competitive priced natural beds that we've reviewed so far. It's right in there with the other most popular brands that you can find. With our coupons, I think you're gonna be able to get this for a really, really good price. So for now, if you have any questions, click the link down in the description. Head over to the full comprehensive review. We've got a lot of other great information over there. And you can also click on the right-hand side of the screen and click on Mattress Concierge if you have any questions. Personally, I'll shoot you back a message. Maybe you're stuck between a couple brands. maybe you're starting from scratch and you're just looking for a little bit of advice. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up. Also, if you like this video and subscribe to the channel, you will automatically be entered into the free mattress drawing giveaways that we're going to be doing once a month. So I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for the full review. But for now, head over to the comprehensive review where you can find more information and a coupon if you decide to try this mattress or any of the other online beds I've reviewed. All right, guys, thanks a lot.